Kani gadega Pyrthei TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henen kasngi ka arpnyo trek unai luar. Kadai kasngi ka baha ka Pyrthei hi borok kawai ki Rakhe kerpang ikan kasngi. Kom kasngi ban kentiau yaki kam jengok kai Pyrthei yak balatep kom ka World Tourism Day. Ryngkat bat kiwai pat kiri jong ka Pyrthei. Hakani ka jela Meghalaya ru henen kasngi. La Rakhe yakani kasngi da ka Meghalaya Tourism. Hapo State Convention Hall Shillong. Kapang pedang jong kani ka Rakhe ka balabu akatin English ka baong. Tourism and Digital Transformation. But hakani kasngi la aje kai ki samla pulie kumjo ya kinong ilam jang kiseng temon sobha ki batrei na kabanta ban kentieu ya ki kam jong kai Pyrthei hakani ka jela. Hakani kasngi lai dun Ryngkat ru menteri rangba ka jela konrat ki sangma ubaralong kum kongsan Ryngkat menteri wadai khmi ya katnat ki kam jong kai Pyrthei hakani ka jela uba met ba lingdo kawai ni ki officer jong sarkar jela ikong RV Suchiang but kiwi de ki officer sarkar.
As a government, we always look at economic growth. Apart from ensuring that there is law and order situation in the state, the second most important thing for us is really to see that the economy moves forward. And because when the economy moves forward, that's when we can find jobs are created for the youngsters. And we as a government are of the firm belief that if the economy needs to move forward, not just Meghalaya but our country as a whole has to move forward, the maximum role that has to be played by the entrepreneurs. The government is a facilitator. The government will provide the necessary policies, the necessary infrastructure in some cases, but in order to create the engine of growth, it can only happen when entrepreneurs are there, people like you are there in the system that push the system and make it grow. I was just the other day in a place called Ampati in southwest Karahuls. And the deputy commissioner there along with other officials had taken up this very simple program of assembling solar lights or solar lamps by the self-help groups which are run by women. They were given about 15-20 days training. Engineers from IIT came, Mumbai. They came over and they provided training free of cost. And now almost about 20 to 30 self-help groups, they are participating in this. And now they're going to be manufacturing or at least assembling these small solar lamps, which will then further be used by children who will be studying, and the revenue that's going to be generated from this is almost about 20 lakhs for the self-help groups. A very small initiative if you think about it, but just imagine the kind of things that can happen. And once I saw that program, I was so happy and so inspired. And I was discussing with my team in the Chief Minister's office. I said that I think we should recognize these kind of initiatives. And I'm happy to, you can say, announce also and happy to inform you that in the Chief Minister's office, we have decided to come up with a program called the Entrepreneur of the Month. And the Chief Minister's team will be there, which will involve officials and some ministers who will actually select an entrepreneur or a group of entrepreneurs who will be, again, we'll bring them on the social media platform. We'll try to make a small video about what they did, like the video you're going to see now. We're going to make the government also participate in their business. For example, if they're making these solar lamps, these solar lights that are going to be used by children, and if this group is selected, the government will then procure some of the materials from them. At the same time, we will give them some kind of recognition and some kind of exposure through the government websites and through different social media platforms. And the idea being that we should recognize these kind of people who are doing great jobs and great entrepreneur programs, and nobody, hardly people know about it. So it's a great way to really showcase the entrepreneurship in our state. And not only do you motivate them, but you motivate others also to become entrepreneurs.